Why is your DHCP not working? Troubleshooting common problems. Imagine turning on your computer and finding no internet connection. It can be frustrating, especially when you're relying on the internet for work or fun. Sometimes, the issue is with the Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, or DHCP, which is responsible for giving your device an IP address. When DHCP stops working, your device might not get an IP address at all. That means no internet access. But don't worry, understanding how DHCP works and what can go wrong helps you fix the problem quickly. First, check if the DHCP server is running. If the server service is stopped or not authorized, your devices won't get IP addresses. On a Windows server, you can open the DHCP management console and see if the service is active. If it's not running, start it. In a domain environment, make sure the server is authorized to hand out addresses. Without authorization, the server will ignore DHCP requests. Next, look at the DHCP scope. This is the range of IP addresses the server can assign. If the scope is full or misconfigured, new devices won't get an address. For example, if your scope is set from 190 to 168.1.100 to 190 to 168.1.200 and all addresses are taken, new devices will fail to get an IP. Also, check if any static IP addresses are set outside the scope, which can cause conflicts. Conflicts happen when two devices try to use the same IP address. This can happen if someone manually assigns an IP within the DHCP range, or if a rogue DHCP server is handing out duplicate addresses. To fix this, identify devices with conflicting MAC addresses and remove or reconfigure them. Rogue DHCP servers are unauthorized devices that can disrupt your network. Use network scanning tools to find and disable these servers. Make sure the DHCP server is bound to the correct network interfaces. If it's listening on the wrong interface, it won't respond to requests from devices on other subnets. Also, DHCP uses UDP ports 67 and 68. If these ports are blocked by firewalls or other services, DHCP traffic can't flow properly. Check your firewall rules and ensure these ports are open. Sometimes, devices get an IP address but lack essential network options like the default gateway or DNS servers. Without these, devices can't connect to the internet or resolve domain names. Verify that your DHCP scope includes all necessary options and that they are correctly configured. Physical network issues can also cause DHCP failures. Faulty cables, switches, or misconfigured network hardware can block DHCP broadcasts. If you use DHCP relay agents to send requests across subnets, confirm they are correctly configured and reachable. Security settings like IPsec policies or firewall rules might block DHCP traffic. Make sure your security policies allow DHCP communication between clients and servers. If not, devices won't receive their IP addresses or network options. To troubleshoot, use packet sniffing tools to watch DHCP messages. Look for DHCP discover, offer, request, and ACK packets. If these aren't seen, the problem is with the traffic flow. Check logs on the DHCP server and client devices for error messages or clues. In summary, DHCP issues can stem from a stopped or unauthorized server, exhausted or misconfigured scopes, address conflicts, port or binding problems, missing options, physical network issues, relay misconfigurations, or security blocks. By systematically checking each of these areas, you can identify why DHCP isn't working and get your network back online. Remember, a properly functioning DHCP service is key to smooth network communication and access to internet-based services.